Many gym-goers focus solely on cardio exercises, believing that it's the most effective way to lose fat. However, strength training is crucial for building muscle mass, which in turn accelerates metabolism and increases fat burn. Neglecting weights and resistance exercises can lead to a slower metabolism, making it harder to lose weight or even leading to weight gain despite regular exercise. A common mistake is overestimating the number of calories burned during a workout and compensating by eating more. Many people believe they've burned more calories than they actually have, leading to overeating post-workout. This misjudgment can easily result in consuming more calories than were expended, contributing to weight gain instead of loss. Tracking workouts and food intake accurately can help avoid this pitfall. Failing to consume the right nutrients can hinder weight loss efforts. Consuming too many processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats, even in a calorie deficit, can lead to weight gain or stall weight loss. It's essential to focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to fuel the body properly for recovery and muscle growth. Overtraining by not allowing adequate recovery time can lead to increased cortisol levels, the stress hormone that can promote weight gain, especially in the abdominal area. Rest days are crucial for muscle recovery, growth, and overall health. Additionally, overtraining can lead to fatigue, making it harder to stay active and motivated in the long term. Repeating the same workout routine can lead to a plateau, where the body becomes accustomed to the exercises, and progress stalls. Varying workout routines by incorporating different exercises, adjusting intensity levels, and including both cardio and strength training can challenge the body in new ways, leading to more effective fat loss and preventing weight gain.